Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jay, and today I am making these really cute, fun, and festive bird baskets for my kids. I usually call these elf baskets because normally around this time of the year our elf brings us Christmas themed things. But my children are grown or older, so not much elf going on around here. So we'll just stick with bird baskets. Well, with that said, let's just jump right into this video. So first I'm just gonna add this shipping packing paper that I got just with my packages. I just save it. So I'm gonna put that at the bottom. I always like to just open my paper up to make it fluffier. This is a cute little pink shirt, but it says dreaming of a pink Christmas. I don't know if you can see that, but I got this shirt actually from Five Below. Not bad. And look how cute it is. Okay, y'all, as I was filling up the basket, it's kind of too small, so I am just starting over. Sometimes that happens with less of this paper at the bottom. This is chocolate, actually. Little chocolates in here. I got this from Target. They did a collab with M&S. I think it's from the UK, but every year they have such cute little tins. I get some every year. They are so cute and pretty. Can y'all believe I got this from Target? I mean, not Target, Aldi, but it's a candle. I got one for each of my girls to put in their room, and it smells so good. Let me show you the base of it. It's gingerbread. It is adorable. Of course, I gotta put this look how small they are now, y'all. But I gotta put this classic in here, Christmas tree cake. That is the first one down and done, and 2 more to go. Another Five Below t-shirt that is adorable. Now this little tin actually has cookies in it, but it's still that cute brand. Look how cute this is. So right here, I'm just showing you the train. I had to trade the train out for the sled because the sled was just too big. And this train is filled with hot chocolate and it is adorable. Look how it rolls. had to bring the first basket back because I forgot to add her nails and her earrings. Okay, now hers is done. Let's move on to the third one, the last one. And that one's for my oldest daughter. Another cute tee from Five Below. Another really cute Christmas tee. Video, and I really hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed making these baskets. Like I said, they are a very fun way, festive way to kick off the holiday season. I appreciate you for watching, especially if you made it to the end. Please let me know in the comments below which basket was your favorite. Is the gingerbread, the snowflakes, or the red truck theme? And with that said, I will see y'all next time. Bye.